The following movie is made in 5 minutes by CrePal AI.
We left the world behind, not out of fear, but out of hope.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. If you want to be an AI director in the year 2026, I think this tool can help you. You shouldn't miss out this tool. Meet CrePal, the world's first AI video creation agent. I have been using this tool for a long time, and today I'm gonna show you how to make AI video with CrePal just in 8 minutes. Okay, let's go. So what is a CrePal? So what makes CrePal special? In fact, CrePal, unlike another AI platform, CrePal is designed for AI director. You are able to create AI video automatically, and you can make changes by chatting. For instance, this part is your AI movie, right? And aside is an AI agent, which can help you to modify the video. You don't need to learn any professional skills, but you can make a whole AI movie just in seconds. And you are able to editing your movie manually. And behind this tool is the industry's best video and image models in one place. If you fall in love with Kylo or Sono, we do clean runway, because with this tool you can use them all in one place. So just by minutes you can convert your idea into amazing visual stories. And so what we're waiting for, just let's dive in. Okay, so click here, sign in. Now we are in, and you may notice that beneath here we have some examples. Now the agent is working on the videos. We generated this luxury advertisement. So all you need to do is type the prompt of your story. So here we go with my story, and you can also add the attachment and upload there and generate a video based on. And here we can tweak about the aspect ratio from 16:9 or 9:16. 16:9 is my preference because I'm going to use this for my YouTube. So my preference is the second one. And if you don't have any idea which story to create, you can click here the prompt, and it will generate a random prompt for you. And here we have two different modes. The first is the director mode. Director mode is for professional creators. Director mode focused on creative planning and storyboard building. And second one is master mode. Master mode is for people who want to build product creative ads. Something you need to be consistency. For example, you're selling bags, you can upload the image of your bag. So of course, this time I go with director mode, and let's click here. Now we don't have any script yet, so we're going to build a script by our AI. Alright, instead of other AI platforms that's just directly generating AI videos for you, now we have some questions from AI. So CrePal is asking us what is the primary purpose of this video. So my answer is the first one, the cinematic narrative. And the second is what emotional tone should we aim for. I think I'm going with B. And remember, you just talk to the AI just like you are talking to a friend. Okay, here we go with my answer. Fantastic, an epic Hollywood-style sci-fi movie it is. Think Interstellar. Yeah. And how long are we going to build? I already covered CrePal before, but this time I want to go deeper. So let's choose the 90 seconds video. Okay, here we go. Because we're director, so imagine this is your crew is asking you. Remember, now we're in the script tab, which means we're in the script building process. And now we're building some character, we're building some scene. Okay, so we have our main character named Jack. So when you scroll down and you can find our main character, right? And when you click here, what's gonna happen? You will open this voice selection tab, and you can click here to preview the voice.
我想看看。
And they're ranking by the languages. You can select to English and change your gender.
What's the ministry pulling now?
So now you're able to log the voice of your character. This is quite cool, right? Not only you can pick up the voice, but also you can pick up the tone. You can even make a voiceover by this tool. This is quite cool, right? We'll move to the next chapter, which is storyboard building. So you can see it's just like the presentation. You have a different cover, lead to different shot. So AI is going to build up the storyboard just like the professional storyboard in the movie creation. Well, just a peek at what AI is gonna build. I think this is terrific. Okay, AI now just help us to generate the storyboard. Or as you can see, AI already help us to generate the storyboard, and you can even tweak it or regenerate it. So in the storyboard, you can find the type and the duration, also the AI models we were using. And here we have a list about the video task planning. This is some of the credits that we're going to spend because we are generated a 9-second long video. So let's just click here. And after several minutes, we are generated this amazing AI video, which is
We left
terrific.
the world behind. Not out of fear, but out of hope.
Usually no matter which AI models are you using, you can only generate like clips, right? You cannot generate full video, but with CrePal, you are able to generate full video just in minutes. In fact, when you click layers, you are able to upload from local to replace the original BGM, or you can create by AI or select one from the library. CrePal already prepared thousands of the music for you. And if you want to modify any clip, you just click here, chat to add it. And you can type the prompt here and just like that. And when you click manual editing, and you can also change the duration from here. Check it out. In fact, CrePal not use the full video, but just do some editing by himself. And you can shrink the clip from here. And you can modify it anywhere. That is a professional editing tool. And click back. And when you click here, you're able to download the full video, or you can download the full shots. And this is amazing because now you can download the PR project, which allows you to edit this video in Premiere. And you're able to choose with a watermark or without the watermark. And for resolution, and you have two options. You can choose a higher one. And if you want to modify any of the steps, you can click here, go back. For example, this is the storyboard. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can click here, chat to edit. And also you can check out the model that we are using. In fact, we are using the Veo 3.1. You can tweak about the script from beginning. So just like what I'm showing here, you can make your own AI video so easy with CrePal. That is really a sensational AI tool. Alright, so much for today. I hope you liked today's video, and don't forget to check the CrePal by yourself. And remember, check the invite code in our description. With this code, brother, you can get 100 credits of the CrePal for free. That's quite generous of the CrePal and also me, right? If you want to thank me, don't forget to follow my channel, okay? Alright, so much for today. I hope you have fun with the CrePal, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.